Today we are working on order of operations, which tells us what order we need to complete the problem based on what operations, adding, subtracting, multiplication, and division, are in the problem. So here it says 96 commuters are on a train. At the next station, 26 commuters get off and 48 commuters get on. How many commuters are on there now? So we have 96 to begin with, 26 get off, and then 48 get back on. So first, since this is just a subtraction and addition, there's no multiplication and division, we start with doing the subtraction first because it's on the left and comes first in the problem. So I'm going to do 96 take away 26, and that is 70. So then I will have 70 plus 48 is my next step to figure out how many passengers are on the train now, and that would give me 118. Because it is just subtraction and addition, that is why I started with my subtraction and then I did my addition. Pause the video and work on anchor task 2 and then check back in. Rogers and Company ordered 40 cartons of paper towels from Diego's paper store. Each carton contains 24 rolls of paper towels. The paper store delivers 60 rolls of paper towels each day. How many days will it take for the paper store to deliver all of the paper towels? So it's telling me that they do 40 cartons and each carton has 24 rolls. So that's how many rolls they have all together. And then over each day they deliver 60 rolls. So first I need to figure out how many I have together and then divide by 60. So since this is multiplication and division, there's no adding or subtracting. I'm going to start with whatever is on the left-hand side. So first I need to multiply and then I will divide. Since 40 is made up of 4 and 10, I'm going to decompose that and do 24 times 4 first and then multiply that by 10. So 4 times 4 is 16 and 4 times 20 is 80. So when I add that together, I get 96, and then I'm going to multiply that by 10, so that way I can be multiplying by 40 altogether, and that is 960. So now I need to take 960 and divide by 60. Since both of these are tens, I'm going to think of this as 96 tens divided by 6 tens. So 96 divided by 6, if you are unsure what that is, you can always use a partial quotient. I can put in 10 groups of 6, and that would be 60, with 36 left over. And 6 times 6 is 36, so I don't have a remainder here. 10 and 6 more is 16. So I will have 16 is 96 divided by 6. 10s divided by 10s are 1s. And 16 ones has a value of 16. So it will take a total of 16 days to deliver all of the paper towels that they have gathered. Go ahead and we're going to look at another problem. You can pause the video and solve each of these and then unpause it when you're ready to check. Since this first problem only had addition and subtraction, all I'm going to do is start with my first operation, which is 50 plus 27, and then that sum I will subtract 19 from, and then I will subtract 35 again. So 27 and 50 more is 77. And then I have minus 19 minus 35. So I'm going to do 77 minus 19 next because that is the next operation that I have here. And that gave me 58. I had to do some work over onto the side, which is totally fine. And then I had to do 58 take away 35, and that gave me 23. For this next one, it also just had multiplication and division, so it doesn't tell me exactly where I have to start, and I don't have to start in a special place except right here at the left. So I'm going to do 48 divided by 8 first, which is 6, and then I will multiply that by 60 and then divide by 3. So 6 multiplied by 60, 6 times 6 is 36, 1s times 10s is 10s, so I have 36 tens or 360, and then I need to divide that by 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 10s divided by 1s is 10s, so that's why I have 120.